Welcome back, Cyber Explorers. It's Alfie, and in this video we'll explore together with this step-by-step guide, how to backup or restore Linux Firewall. So without further ado, let's get right into it. To safely backup and restore your Linux Firewall, you need to consider the specific firewall tool you're using, UFW, Firewalld, iptables, or nftables, and ensure your backups are stored in a persistent, user-controlled location like Documents Firewall Backups. Here's a complete guide that covers all four. General strategy: backup both active rules and config files. Store backups outside system directories, /etc/var, to avoid loss during package removal. Restore only after disabling the firewall or stopping its service. UFW, uncomplicated firewall backup. Restore. Firewalld backup. Restore. iptables backup. Restore. To persist rules across reboots. If you change your rules and want to update the saved versions, you can also reload them without rebooting. nftables backup. Restore. To persist rules. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and don't forget to activate the notification bell so you won't miss out on any new uploads. Thank you for watching. Until next time, see you later.